Hi friends, this video shows how to safely eject and remove the SanDisk SSD storage from this Google TV streamer 4K device. Here I am using this multi-port USB hub that is connected to this Google TV streamer using this USB Type-C cable. Here you can see one white cable, that is a power cable that is connected to PD in port of this USB hub. Here you can see one black cable that is connected to this SanDisk SSD storage. This is a setup. Let me go to settings, select all settings from top right corner, go to system, go down, select storage, and here you can see this SanDisk SSD storage 1 TB, select it, and here you can see the eject, select this eject. Now it's ejecting, done. After this, we can safely remove this SSD storage from this Google TV streamer. This way we can safely eject and remove this SSD storage. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.